Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So guys, could you believe that we can turn our photo like this to become this one? As you can see, the previous photo was the selfie or normal photo, and after using the special prompt, so the picture can be transformed into this stunning smoke and shape figure. And here we will use the Nano Banana as our tool. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can access this Nano Banana, and here I will access it with the Google Gemini AI. And don't worry, because this Gemini AI can be also accessible with your Android or iOS phone, or even the tab and also the PC. And for the Nano Banana itself, so you can access it with the Google AI Studio too if you want to. And this is the look after the login or sign up process in Google Gemini AI. And after that, I will activate this Nano Banana by clicking the create image. And after that, you can start to select a picture from the gallery. And after that, you can continue to click or select a picture and click done. And after that, you can put the prompt into this section. And don't worry, because I will show you the prompt into the description box. And basically the prompt would be like this: transform the person in the attached photo into a beautiful smoke shaped figure. Keep the same pose and also facial structure proportion from the reference image, but make the entire body appear as if it is form from soft and flowing smoke. I'm sorry. And also, the smoke will be semi-transparent, glowing slightly and rising gracefully into the air. Use a black background to make the white smoke stand out clearly. And the style should be artistic, surreal, and cinematic, like a dream made of a vapor, and of course high detail 8K and ultra realistic lighting. And after that, you can continue to generate it. And after waiting for maybe 15 seconds until 1 minute, so the result will be like this, guys. And if you would like to have another output, don't worry, you can hold this prompt until there will be show you two options like copy and edit. So you can click edit here, and you can simply click enter or generate like this without change anything in the prompt, and they will also give you the another output or the new picture after the generation process. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.